Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JCPNQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways here just to establish some context here. But overall, I get it. It's been a rough move, but from looking at today's price action, a very respectable, nice, strong move. And when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was down here and then the price ultimately closed all the way up there, definitely a nice move. Now, yes, overall, there's a lot more work that needs to be done. But from that move in and of itself, a good solid movement, which leads to the next valid question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 27-cent mark. Why is 27 so important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down here, behave like that, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. On the flip side of things, though, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you envision each of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress, again, being defined right there at 27 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if this movement is going to continue upwards, next key battleground to watch closely, going to be right up here at that level of 32 cents. So 32 cents, public enemy number one. But all in all, nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price, build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.